Hey, let me show you how you can fix this issue when you cannot find LDAC on your Bluetooth device on a Samsung A36 5G. So all you have to do is just to be sure that you downloaded application for your device. So let me quickly explain how it actually looks on my earbuds. I'm using Huawei earbuds and they support Huawei AI Live application. So to turn on LDAC, I will have to actually download this application and open it. Then I have to search for something called about sound quality or sound mode, something like this. And I have to switch from connection quality into sound quality. Now, when I'm gonna go back from this one, and I can even close this application, I will get LDAC just right here. So this is how you can fix this. For sure, I cannot explain you how it looks for different brands, but if you get this simple example of my case, I will believe that you will find out what is the name of your application, like for example, if you got Redmi Buds, Xiaomi, or any other brand.